Let's solve this together. It says b cubed plus b is equal to 30. How do we solve this? Now the first thing to do is to say that 30 is equal to 27 plus 3, right? Hence b cubed plus b is equal to 3 raised to power 3 plus 3, right? And let's cross everything over to the left hand side. So subtracting 3 raised to power 3 plus 3 from both sides, you have b cubed minus 3 raised to power 3 plus b minus 3 is equal to 0. Let's group. We have b cubed minus 3 raised to the power of 3, okay, plus b minus 3 is equal to 0. So from here, we would have, so if you have a raised to the power 3 minus c raised to the power of 3 is equal to a raised to the power a minus c multiplied by a squared plus ac plus c squared. Alright, so applying this law here, we would have b minus 3 multiplied by b squared plus 3b plus 3 squared, which is 9, plus b minus 3, and this is equal to 0. Okay, now let's factorize. So we can factor out b minus 3, so it becomes into b squared plus 3b plus 9, and what's left here is plus 1 equal to 0. We have b minus 3 multiplied by b squared plus 3b plus 9 is equal to b squared plus 3b plus 10 is equal to 0. When the product of two things are equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. Hence, it's either that b is equal to 3, okay, from this, or b squared plus 3b plus 10 is equal to 0. Alright? Now, moving on, you can use the quadratic formula to solve this. That says that x, an equation can be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, hence b here, because this equation is in b, will now be equal to minus b, which is minus 3. Okay, minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 squared is 9 minus 4ac is minus 40 all over 2a is 2. Okay, hence our b now becomes equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of negative 31 all over 2. So b is now equal to minus 3 plus or minus I root 31 all over 2 or 3. Okay, so these are values for b. It's either that b is equal to minus 3 plus I root 31 over 2 or minus 3 minus I root 31 over 2 or 3. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. I will hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.